Hello everyone, this is Miss Julia here at the Collierville Petra Library, bringing you another virtual Crafternoon. And today we're going to delve into more science, in that we're going to be making a firework in a jar slash a lava lamp, your DIY lava lamp. So for this craft you're going to be needing a clear bottle, some oil, water, a funnel, some food coloring, and an Antacid Tablet. Now you can do these two crafts separate, which you may want to because the proportions are going to be a little different for each. For time and for, just for time's sake, I'm just going to do it all in one. So for the firework in the jar, you're going to be filling this up 3/4 water and 1/4 oil. Since I'm also going to be doing the lava lamp, I'm going to be doing it the reverse, where it's only 1/4 water and 3/4 oil. So first, I'm going to put in my water. So I'm going to just eyeball this, and I'm going to fill it out about 1/4 of the way and make a mess, but that's okay. It's just water. It cleans up easily. Maybe I'll put in a little bit more just so you can see the fireworks in the jar a bit better. And then I'm going to put oil in. Now oil and water is fun because they don't mix, they separate. So hopefully, yep, you can see that the oil is floating up. So we can just put that like that. There we go. So now you can see that my water is on the bottom and the oil is on the top, and I'm going to remove my funnel out of the way. So first I'm going to show you the fireworks in the jar. So like I said, fireworks in the jar works better if it's more water than oil, because when you put in your food coloring, it has less oil to travel through before it gets to the water. But since I'm doing both fireworks and lava lamp, I've sort of done it half and half, so you can get the effects of both. So once you have your oil and water, you're going to put in a couple drops of food coloring, and you can see it floating down. And once it reaches the oil, it will eventually, it might take a little while. And I'm going to add some red too, so it can kind of mix together. Actually, it's kind of fun just to see the food coloring sort of ball up at the bottom there. But eventually it should reach the oil and reach the water. And I might fast forward to the point where it does that. It might take a bit. Goes. Oh yeah, now you can see that the food coloring actually breached the oil and it's kind of floating down. It kind of looks like firework bursts. I don't know if my red's going to go down, but that's okay, because we're going to move on to our DIY lava lamp, which should mix everything together. So if you want to swirl it around a little bit to have the glue kind of permeate the water, you can. It is not necessary. So to do the DIY lava lamp, it's basically the same as the firework jar, only you'll have about 1/4 water and 3/4 oil. So once you have your oil and your water and your food coloring kind of coloring the water, because all lava lamps have fun colors, you're going to take your Antacid Tablet and you're going to break off a little bit and plunk it right in, and it should eventually start fizzing up and gets that lava lamp effect. So the antacid is creating bubbles out of the colored water and causing it to float up towards the top, and eventually it's going to become heavy again and go back through the oil. So it looks like a lava lamp. And since I put red and blue together, my water has actually turned purple. I'm going to put another little bit just because the more antacid that you put in, the bigger the piece, the sort of more violent reaction you're going to get. And it's a lot of fun. So there you go, that's our 2 crafts for today, the fireworks in a jar and the DIY lava lamp. Eventually the fizzing will stop and it'll start separating again with the oil being on the top and the water on the bottom, and you can put in more antacid tablets if you want to continue your lava lamp. Other than that, I hope you have fun making this really cool science craft, and I hope you all stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!